Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Art. Guys, another love reading, timeless and general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading makaresonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tingnan natin ngayon kung anong love connections, lessons in life and guidance ang ating mababatid. Okay, spirit guides, send me messages. Anong love connections, lessons in life and guidance ang ating mababatid. Spirit guide, mga aral at buhay mga aral at gabay sa buhay, pag-ibig. Ang nais ninyong ipabatid sa amin, lessons in life, guidance. Yan. The Tower. King of Pentacles. Eight of Wands. Ace of Cups. Knight of Swords. Five of Wands. Seven of Swords. Two of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. And the Lovers. Okay, ayusin po muna natin yan. Maganda yung nasisense kong energy dito. No, parang nagsimula ito sa hindi o sa masalimuot or mga struggles pagdating sa love life, from pain to happiness. Yan. Meron kasi ditong the Tower. So, ibig sabihin, maaring nagsimula or sa nakaraan or maaring nararanasan mo ngayon, o nagsimula ito sa isang pagsabog or pagkawasak ng relasyon. Dahil there's too much conflict sa inyong relationship. Because your partner, your person, maybe lies to you, paulit-ulit na pagsisinungaling. Hanggang sa nandito yung Two of Pentacles, ang ginawa mo na lang, you make yourself busy enough juggling into different opportunities na dumarating sa'yo para makalimutan na tong taong to. Dumating din yung time na merong someone na makikilala mo. You will have communication with someone. No, maybe this is from online. Meron kang makikilalang someone who is intelligent, sincere, at kapag nakausap mo siya, lalong-lalo na kapag nag-meet kayo ng taong to, mararamdaman mo yung sinseridad niya. Yung nagsasabi siya ng totoo, mga kwento sa'yo about sa buhay niya. At ito yung magsisimula, ito yung uusbong sa panibagong pag-ibig. Parang sa umpisa, okay, meeting each other, knowing each other, you will feel the sincerity of this person. Tapos somehow talagang mahuhulog din ang damdamin mo sa kanya at ganun din siya sa'yo. Kaya dito magsisimula ang panibagong pag-ibig. Okay? This person is very hardworking. So ito yung kanyang mga katangian. No? Pwede siyang air sign, pwede siyang earth sign. Katangian niya, honest, sincere, intelligent, hardworking, business-minded ito, masipag, no, matatag, stable na sa kanyang pamumuhay. At talagang magiging kayo lovers. Maaring siya na yung soulmate mo. You feel the connection within your soul with this person. Ito na yung sasabihin mo na, everything works well. Ito, Six of Pentacles. Merong generosity of giving love, sharing love, and also yung generosity pagdating sa material na bagay. Diba? At the same time, magkakaroon kayo ng give and take relationship. Hindi ito one-sided lang at yung pinakamaganda. Give and take. Merong understanding, merong suporta. Wala dito yung mga negative obsession. Wala dito yung mga overthinking. Ang magiging maganda dito talagang inuunawan yung isa't isa. Tapos nagtitiwala kayo sa isa't isa. At may magandang samahan talaga. Harmonious relationship. Kaya maging maganda. Kaya sa iba, talaga ang payo lang, no? Pag masyado kayong nakatuon dun sa isang taong paulit-ulit na naman kayo niloloko, wag kayong matakot na putulin ang connection nyo sa taong yon. Dahil unang-una, yun ba ang deserve ninyo? Hindi naman, di ba? At hindi naman din dun sa taong yon, yung masasabi nating nais talaga ng puso mo. Ano pa talaga nais ng puso mo, no? Yung isang harmonious relationship, yung give and take, yung someone who will treasure you, who will value you, who knows your worth. Diba? Kung yung taong yun, niloloko ka lang naman, yun ba ang nais ng puso mo? Hindi, diba? Cut off mo yun. There's so many fishes in the pond. Okay? Huwag kang matakot na i-cut off, na putulin ang connection mo sa mga ganong klaseng tao. Because if you know your worth, if you value yourself and know your worth, alam mo na merong isang taong karapat-dapat, tunay at totoo para sa isang deep love. And believe, you will become lovers. And this person may be your soulmate. And this person might be the one, diba, for a harmonious give and take relationship. Okay, so it all started by knowing your worth, by cutting off to those toxic person, by focusing to yourself and believing that there is someone who is already existed in the universe that is truly for you, na nakalaan para sa'yo. Okay, so yun lang po. Tingnan natin naman ngayon ang message natin. Message from our fairies. Mga fairies. Magical messages. Oops! May nahulog. Business venture. Trust and follow through on a new business idea or career opportunities o para sa iba dyan. No, magkakaroon kayo ng panibagong opportunity for a new business or a career. So, yung maganda yan, lalo na yung mga broken-hearted dyan. Ako, mag-focus muna sa sarili. Nagkaroon muna kayo ng pagkakabisihan ninyo. Business or panibagong career. Ito pa. Flower power. Spend time with flowers and flowers essences to increase your personal healing power. You know, yung flower na yan, it's nature. And it also helps us to heal. Diba? To clear our mind and clean our hearts from any hatreds. And pregnancy. The birth of a child brings great blessings to you and the world. So, maaring itong mamimit mong someone, magiging kayo, itong lovers na to, yan, magkakaroon ng resulta ito. Ang inyong pagmamahala na yung magkakaroon ng resulta o ng bunga, which is a gift of a child. Okay? So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me in Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day po and God bless.